Have my completed project now. I'm happy with my edits that I've created in my timeline. I've been scrubbing through them using my playhead, and I have everything exactly where I want it to be. So now I'm ready to export. The only thing you need to do is make sure that your timeline is active, meaning it has that blue bounding box around it. If I click up in my project monitor is now the active panel. If I click down into my timeline is now active. And I see that with the blue bounding box. So I'm ready to edit. All I actually need to do at this point in this new version is go up to the top left-hand corner. So we're currently in our editing mode right now. I can just click over to export. And we're going to get the dialog box for exporting. Now for us, at the moment, we're just going to be using the media file. So you just want to make sure that media file is clicked on. We're going to go through each setting and just think about what each setting means for you. Your file name, this is going to be the file that your name will have in your computer when you export it. So make sure that it's descriptive and also has your name on it. Next, our location. This is where it's going to be saved. Right now it's in teacher documents. It's not what I want. So I'll probably go down to class demos and look for my export folder. You will always put your project in your export folder for that particular project. Remember, you're going to have a project folder for every project that we do. So there we go. I'm in exports and I can hit save. Oh, right, I did this demo already, so we're just going to hit replace. All right, next your preset. You can keep that to match source, which is an adaptive high bitrate. We don't need to know what that means at the moment, but just have it somewhere around there. Your format is very important. We want to make sure it's on H.264. It's the most versatile format. So if it's not, go ahead and click that drop-down menu and find the H.264 and go ahead and click it. And that is all we need to do. You want to just double check over here on this side that it says your range for outputting is the entire source. So that's everything that's in your timeline. Okay, and then we have our bright blue export button down here. We'll go ahead and click that. And I already have a document that's called this, so I'm going to replace it. You would not want to replace it. You would want to name yours differently each time. And then we're going through an encoding process, which is basically when the Premiere Pro program is actually collecting all of those assets that we've been linking to during our editing process, and now it's going to pull it all together. It's going to export, and then it will show up exactly where you asked it to save. And that's it.